Namaste everyone. Let us see question number 10 of exercise 12.3. The question is, the area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square. Means the area of this triangle ABC is given equals to area of triangle ABC is given equals to 17,320.5 centimeter square. Now what the question says, each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Means taking vertices A, B, C as the centers, they draw three circles which are touching each other. Then all three circles are equal and the radius of each circle will be equals to half the side of triangle ABC. Then find the area of shaded region. What we need to do, we have to find out the area of shaded region. So shaded region is area of triangle ABC minus area of these three sectors. Okay, so first of all, to find out the radius of the sector, we have to find out the side of triangle ABC. So we know that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle and the area of equilateral triangle is square root 3 upon 4 into side square is given equals to 17320.5. Then we need to find out side. So take this to the right side. Side square will be equals to, this 4 will go in multiplication, 17320.5 as it is multiply by 4 upon, now here we have square root 3. So in a question, the value of square root 3 is given. Square root 3 is given equals to 1.73205. Let us replace the value. So the side square will be equals to 17320.5 multiply by 4 whole upon 1.73205. So remove the decimal, its 10 will go in denominator and its 1 lakh will go in numerator. 1 and 5 zeros. 10 say 1 0 cancel, then 1,73,205. Ones are 1,73,205. So 4 into 10,000, we are left with 40,000. So side square will be equals to 40,000 is the square of 200. So square is cancelled. The side will be equals to 200. Now the side of each side of triangle ABC is equals to 200 centimeters. Then from here we have to find out the area of sector. The question says that now the side of triangle ABC is equal to 200 centimeter and the question says that the radius of each circle is the half of side of triangle ABC. Means radius will be equals to 200 upon 2, which is equals to 100 centimeters. Then area of each sector, or if I will name it E, F, Z, So all three sectors are same. So area of sector AEG, area of sector AEG will be equals to, we know the formula, it is theta upon 360 into pi r square, where theta is equals to angle A and ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore theta will be equals to, you know, each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Then, so therefore theta is equal to 60 degree, so 60 upon 360 multiplied by pi, they said 3.14 into r square is 100 square. This will be equals to 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36. Then let us simplify, 1 upon 6 multiplied by 3.14 can be written as 314, remove decimal, denominator will be 100, multiply by 100 into 100, 100 square can be written as 100 multiplied by 100, 100 ones are 100, then 2 3s are 6 by 2, 1s are 2, 5s are 10, and 7s are 14. So this will be equals to 15700 upon 3 centimeter square. Three sectors we have, so area of all three sectors, area of all three sectors will be equals to, area of one sector is 15700 upon 3. So area of three sectors, all three are equal, so it will be 3 multiplied by 15700 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3, this will be equals to 15700 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region, area of shaded region will be equals to area of triangle ABC minus area of all three sectors. Which will be equals to 17320.5 minus 15700, which is equals to 1620.5 centimeter square. This is your required answer. Now let us see question number 16, which is given equals to, calculate the area of the designed region in figure 12.34 common between two quadrants of the circle of radius 8 cm. So here we have a quadrant of the circle with radius 8 cm. From this quadrant we have to calculate the area of this shaded design. This design is equals to sum of two segments. If ABCD is the square, because all sides are equal, then first of all we have to find out the area of segment ADB, which is here. So, and then the design is double of this segment, so multiply it by 2 and you will get your answer. Now radius of the segment, radius of segment is given equals to 8 cm. Now let us calculate the area of segment first of all. So area of segment ADB, or you can say DB, area of segment BD or DB will be equals to, now you know the formula, this is equals to area of sector, area of corresponding sector minus area of triangle ADB. So triangle ADB is a right angle triangle and area of corresponding sector, it is a quadrant of circle, so we know the area of quadrant is 1 upon 4 pi r square, or you can use angle equals to 90 degree also, minus area of triangle ADB. So it is a right angle triangle where base is AB and perpendicular is AD. So this will be equals to half into base into perpendicular, that is half into AB into AD. So this will be equals to 1 upon 4 pi is 22 upon 7 into r square, radius is given equals to 8, so into 8 square minus half into AB is 8, AD is also 8. So this will be equals to, let us simplify, 2 4 are 8, then this is equals to 1 upon 4 as it is, 22 upon 7 as it is, 8 square 64 minus 8 4 are 32. So 4 1 are 4, 4 16 are 64, and this will be equals to 22 into 16, 352 upon 7 minus 32. Simplify it by taking LCM. LCM is 7 and 352 ones are 352 as it is, minus 32 into 7, 224, which is equals to 128 upon 7. Now this is the area of one part, this is the area of segment BD. Then what will be the area of whole design? So area of design will be equals to, area of design will be equals to 2 multiplied by the area of segment, that is 128 upon 7. This will be equals to 128 2s are 256 upon 7 centimeter square is your required answer.